Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make that famous chili text effect in Canva and not in Photoshop. So let's start this video. So the app I'm using is Canva. Be sure to like the video if you like the content. So let's start. First of all, what we have to do is paste the image of the chili you are going to use. You can take them from stock images or websites, another Chrome websites. I'm gonna increase the size. Now you can see this apps button right here. Click on it and search Typecraft. Here, click on this, and in this box, you're gonna write the text that you're writing. I'm using Tilly. From here, you can change fonts, and moving here, you're gonna change color to white. Now, this is the most difficult part. What you have to do is move these points, added points, like you have to move these added points in comparison to that chili that is on the screen. So it is going to use extra hard work. You have to compare both the chili and the text and their sizes. Then you have to uh, added the points of the text that it gets really sync and that chili. So I'm trying to make it proper that it really is parallel to that chili in the image. So it will require extra hard work. Let me see. From here, this eye looks a little bit up and the C looks a little bit up as well. I'm gonna change them. Now click on add the element. From here you can add this into the slide that you're using or page you're using. So there you go. This is the final result. Be sure to subscribe my channel if you like the video. Be sure to like the video as well and hit that bell icon to get the latest updates. Bye.